Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Kajingkhot Menteri Rangba ka Sarkar Jelau Konrad Konggal Sangma ya kajingelang bakerki kalong banpen kenmau biang ya kamat halor ka jakasong jakasa ki pulit Central Reserve Police Force lani ki CRPF hanong ba Shillong layathu uba lakaman rembui Menteri Katanat ki kampo yeng ha ka Sarkar Jela. Hakate ka jingelang ulayathu baki baladon lang ki kentup nadu sembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong ki officer na katanat kampo yeng kari ki he pulit bat ki he jongka CRPF. Ulo ongru baka jingdon ke CRPF ki don ki kendon banwanra ya kasuk kasain ha ka jela bar kumbalong menta ompala ban shim ya kanu karai Henry ki pulit CRPF ki don ya jakasong jakasa bat ya kane on sapen be benia hangno on ai jaka ya ki ban shong bansa
ka jingalang ka balakot ng chief minister ka bayron lang u deputy chief minister mga ki officer na po police department ki officer na po home department bat ki CRPF kalong ban review ya ki jakasong jakasa jom ki CRPF hapo Shillong kumbangitip bagi CRPF ru tidon ka role kabakraw ba pine ya kasong sok side hapo kastit ka jongi den lor kata kada nilai rai nilai thir but harin kata gilabon kiciya kren basa kawe kalong ki CRPF tu tidon kam ya ki jakasa tiba biang te halor kene te kanu no korangin pat shim te sa shim pat hakawe ko po dakaba perkhat ya ka chong sngai bat ka jingbiang jong ki jakasa jongki ki ya ka jingra sunu ko jaka ka song ka state hakabat ladadon kan te den ta kadaw ya menta mabaka jong sngai hapo asor hapo jaka paiba ka bangkam te ngim ya kren ya ka deployment ya kan rupa ya kan swata ya jakasa ka jongki kumno bathangno nginbu kadam em jaka kaba biang nom tabakin sa den ta kadaw ya ka deployment pakasyong ka jidan kam jam kanu no jaka